Okay, this is section 6.2 and example 1. We're looking at modeling equations with a variable on both sides. We're going to solve this using algebra tiles and just using algebra. So we have 3x plus 2 equals 6 plus 4x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our tiles. So we're drawing 3x plus 2. And we know that's equal to 6. Oops, I forgot to shade that in. Plus 4x. Remember that shaded is positive, unshaded is negative. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to get rid of the ones tiles on one side of the equation. So let's add 2 negative tiles there, and if we do that on that side, we've got to do it on the other side as well. That will then make 2 zero pairs. So we've gotten rid of that, and we've gotten rid of that. So then we have 3x tiles here. And that's going to be equal to 4 ones and 4x. Okay, so now let's get rid of the x tiles on this side, on the right-hand side, by adding negative x tiles. And if we add 4 negative x tiles to the right-hand side, we have to add 4 negative x tiles to the left-hand side. These are all going to make a zero pair, so they're going to cancel. And 3 of these are going to make a zero pair. So we have 1 x tile, 1 negative x tile equals 4 positive tiles. But we want to know what 1 positive x tile would be. So all we have to do is change the shading, and that's equal to negative 4. Let's work that out using algebra now as well. 3x plus 2 equals 6 plus 4x. Again, we're going to take the 6 away from both sides, making that a zero pair. 3x minus 4 equals 4x. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the 3x away from both sides to make that a zero pair. Negative 4 equals x. And there's your answer.